Well guys, thanks for hanging out with us. Hope everybody had an awesome Father's Day. Thank you to all the fathers out there for being what you are and passing down this awesome hobby to the rest of this generation and the further generations. And special thank you to all our veterans out there and our veteran dads. You guys are the best of the best. Without you, we wouldn't be having Father's Day. But we didn't take home many trophies or anything today. We just spent the day with the family. That's always more important than anything else. Met some good people. But I'm gonna get inside. It's dark, or getting dark, and spend the rest of the day with my family. Thanks for tuning in, guys. As always, remember, they don't move until you do.